Dear student, welcome to the Business Studies class, part 8, Management as a Science. Science is a systematized body of knowledge that explains certain general truth or the operation of general laws. The basic features of science are as follows. First one, systematized body of knowledge. Second, principles based on experimentation. Third, universal validity. Fourth, cause and effect relationship. First point, systematized body of knowledge. Science is a systematic body of knowledge. Its principles are developed after years of research and experimentation. For example, the phenomenon of an apple falling from a tree towards ground is explained by the law of gravitation. Management satisfies these features as it has also a systematized body of knowledge developed by management experts and scholars over a period of time. Second point, principles based on experimentation. Scientific principles are derived after repeated observation and experiments under controlled conditions. The results of each experiment can be verified and defined outcome can be predicted. The principles of management have evolved over a period of time based on repeated experimentation and observation. Since management deals with human beings and human behavior, the outcome of these experiments are not accurately predicted. Therefore, management can be called an inactive science. Third, universal validity. Scientific principles have universal validity and can be applied in all situations and at all times. Since the principles of management are not as exact as the principles of science, their application and use is not universal. They have to be modified according to a given situation. Fourth, cause and effect relationship. The principles of science lay down a cause of effect relationship between related factors. For example, when water is heated up to 100 degrees Celsius, it starts boiling and turns into vapor. The application of cause and effect relationship cannot be completely established in principles of management. For example, implementation of the principles of division of work may lead to specialization. On the other hand, some workers may feel monotonous doing the same work. On comparing the features of science with management, we can conclude that management cannot be considered an exact or accurate science like physics or chemistry, but we can call it an inactive science or social science or soft science. This part has completed. Thank you.